Hello, my name is Dale and welcome to my channel. Yeah, so this was East Lake Nature Reserve near Crowthorne. There's a bracken there, look. Oh, rhododendron's looking nice. Yeah, there's certainly a lot of rhododendrons in this woods. This is the first time I've been here. And here comes a coot coming towards me. Yeah, I saw several different paths leading off into different directions, so I'm just going to walk around the lake. There's an island out there in the middle of the lake. Oh, this one. There's a carrion crow over here. Hello. Carrion crows over there for a drink. Yeah, lots of pine trees, look at them. Scotch pines, is it? Lots of rhododendrons. Walking through a few pine trees now. I've noticed there's not so much vegetation on the ground level where the pine trees are. It's like that over the way. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's not just a lake, this is a nature reserve as well. The viewing platform here, we can look out across the lake. Yeah, that's good. A nice seat. You can sit down. A viewing platform here. Yeah. Yeah, this is a nice spot to look out across the lake with the seat and the viewing platform. Mallards flying over there. But there's no fishing. There's a sign here saying no fishing. So it's no good bringing your fishing rod then. Not such a good day today. It's a bit cloudy. We've had a lot of sunshine recently, but at the moment it's cloudy today. There's a very lovely rhododendron over here. It's quite a big size, full of flowers. I think I got Brady, a young one, isn't he? Oh, no, he's not far around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, touch the like button, touch the subscribe button. Until next time, I'll say goodbye.